Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you our new Google Sheets integration for Automate Studio. Now, the Studio add-on is already available in the Google Workplace Store. You can download and install it from the Extensions tab here. Here, I've got the Studio add-in itself, and today I'm going to be showing you a round-trip example. So first, I'm going to query some material data out of SAP, and then I'm going to make changes to it directly in my sheet here, and then load those changes back into SAP using my update script. So I've got my query selected here. I've asked it to pull all records from SAP and then return those in the sheet and give me a log message in H. So I'm going to select the system that I'm trying to log into here. Now, this is important because I'm actually logging in as myself to SAP here. So you won't be able to do anything through Studio that you don't already have authorizations and permission for within SAP directly. So in this case, I'm asking it to pull any materials with a type of FERT and that are associated with plant 0003. So we'll click OK here. And it's now going to pull that data from SAP and bring it back into my Google Sheet here. Okay, so we can see it downloaded roughly 30 materials for me here, and my log message showing up in H. Now, I'm going to make just some slight changes to the description here. Just as an example, I'm then going to switch over to my script to actually update those records in SAP. And here we can see I've set the start row to 2, the end row to 3, because again, we're just going to do these first 2 materials. And again, it'll return a log for me in column G. Now, I have the ability to validate this data before loading it into SAP, especially if you've got a lot of data and a lot of columns that you're trying to load. It's a very good idea to use validate first, because it'll tell you if you've got any data issues before trying to load it into SAP. In this case, since I'm just uploading the description, I'm just going to go ahead and run these. And it's now going to update those 2 materials in SAP and return the log message in column G to tell me that it's updated those successfully. Okay, and here we can see it's updated my 2 materials and let me know in the log column that that successfully happened. Thanks, everyone.